I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Chris, you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
What's up with the Charlie's Big Boss? I'm coming back with a real quick video about 10 fragrances I do not wear, okay? I can't say I don't like these fragrances. I'm just gonna say for some reason I don't grab these fragrances, and we're about to find out why. First fragrance that's crazy that I don't wear. Let me turn it around. Right here. Dior on Intense. I don't wear this. I bought it used and it been right there the whole time. I wore this fragrance 2 times since I had it. I don't know why I don't like it. I just never grab it. Let me know if you grab it and you wear it. I really don't wear this fragrance now. Okay, another fragrance I don't wear. Carolina Herrera 212 VIP Black. I don't wear it. It smells good. It reminds me of Versace Eros, but I don't put this on. I don't know why. Lattafa Rams. The bottle is just ugly, bro. I just look at the bottle and be like, I'm not wearing that. I'll wear it later. Like, I don't think the juice smell good because the bottle don't look good. I'm weird. It's placebo effect. There's something wrong with my brain. Now, this fragrance is called Melanique, I think, but this is a Tom Ford fragrance right here. I don't wear it on the simple fact it kind of smells a little feminine, and I don't know how much is in this bottle, so I'll be trying to like, oh no, man, I don't want to use it all. I don't know. That's what I'm saying. I don't even know why I don't wear it. It's a little feminine though. Right here. Oh, Versace's. I'm gonna butcher the hell out this name. Lawaka Lawam. I don't care. Y'all just let me know how y'all pronounce that. But it's Tobacco Blaze. Man, I don't care that it smells like Tom Ford Tuscan leather. It's supposed to smell like cocaine. I don't care. I just don't wear it because it's just funky to me. This fragrance right here. Ferragamo Per Home. Very generic, plain, ordinary. I'm better than that. I will wear a fragrance that actually has a smell, and that doesn't. Right here, Cremos. What is this called? Plano Santo. It's just generic. It's boring, and this was the last Cremo I got, and I just don't wear it. I just don't wear it. It's not that I don't like it. It's like a whatever fragrance. Like, why do I still got that? Now, this right here is Burberry London. This smells very nutty, and it just don't smell like something I want to smell like. That's just all in a nutshell, no pun intended. This right here, Lotus Per Home Sport. Don't wear this because it smells like a lesser version of Issey Miyake Lotus Per Home. And that one lasts like 8 hours, but the Sport only lasts like 2 or 3. I ain't really rocking with that. So it's no point for me to wear the corny cousin of the one I love. Lastly but not least, we're gonna talk about Lattafa's Oud for Glory. I never wear that. I just never find it interesting, okay? It smells really Japanese, Oriental, and regular. And I'm not regular, okay? That's all I got to tell y'all, man. That's it. I'm done. These are 10 fragrances I don't wear. Part 1. There's going to be another part coming soon, man. If y'all like this type of video, y'all let me know in the comments. I love y'all. I'm Big Boss. And I'm out.